This content is for educational purposes only, not a professional advice. What impact can a bad credit score have? Once you get a credit score, it's important to check it from time to time to make sure it does not get too low. A low credit score can affect your financial life in many ways. First of all, you will likely have difficulties securing contracts that require long-term commitments, such as loans, car financing, rent, or even in some U.S. states, certain types of jobs. This is because individuals with low credit scores usually have many missed commitments that have been recorded in their credit report and make people think twice before entering a new contract with them. Furthermore, even if they end up securing a loan or a rent, it may come at a much higher cost than what they would have paid if their credit score was higher. In the case of a loan, for instance, borrowers with a low credit score may be asked to pay interest charges that are twice as high as those paid by borrowers with a good credit score. Similarly, when financing a car, those with a low credit score may get asked to make a higher down payment and also accept a higher monthly payment in order to secure the deal. Lastly, if they are looking to rent a place, landlords may deny them if there are many other applicants, ask them to put down a higher deposit amount, or require a guarantor. These are just a few examples of why it is important to avoid letting your credit score get low. WeFi's mission is to help everybody achieve their financial goals. If you like this video and are looking for ways to improve your personal finances, download our smart app at www.wefiapp.com.